Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome to another vlog from Japan. Today is a traveling day, so the vlog won't be too long. We're going to Hakone. It's like a place near the Fuji mountain. And yeah, that's what we're doing now. We want to go and hike somewhere near the Fuji mountain. So let's go to Hakone and do a room tour. I think it's like more of a low budget hotel, or I think it's even like a guest house, but that's fine too. Like I think the vibe will be a bit different, maybe a bit cozier than it is in a hotel. We arrived in Hakone. Right now we are sitting in a traditional Japanese restaurant. We're ordering some soba noodles. We haven't eaten that yet. So yeah, let's see if it tastes good. I will give you a rating, just like always. By the way, Hakone is like way more relaxed than Tokyo. Immediately got some tea when we came into this restaurant, as you see right here. And later I will show you our room. It's like Japanese too. We are like sleeping on the floor, but it's like really cool. You have to take off your shoes when you get in. So yeah, it's normal to wash your hands before you eat in Japan. You always take these towels and clean your hands so you're ready to eat. So that's what I'm doing right now. We ordered the food, so yeah, let's see what it looks like. The food arrived. It's looking great. Wow. Like we have to dip this into this sauce. We got this. I don't know what it is, but we will try it. Let's see. Ich bin sagen, das habe ich etwas vollkommen falsch gemacht. This is really good. Different type of shit. You can season your sauce with these two things. Then you take your noodles, dip it into there, and you put it in your mouth, and it smells like, or it tastes like heaven. Alright, quick review. Maybe on cam, like the noodles looked a bit boring, but the taste is like delicious. And now they came to us and they showed us some kind of a magic trick. You can take your soup, put it into a cup, and then you get like the water they cooked your noodles in, and if you mix it, bro, like, wow. This taste, it's like in my dreams. I could drink this all day and all night. As you see, I'm learning in Japan. Like in comparison, I have like Coke, tea, and this special drink. The Coke is boring compared to the tea, but the tea is like worth nothing if you have this. So I'll just enjoy this one. The food was like delicious. It was so tasty. Now on our way back home to the hotel, we found an Openair Museum. And we just bought tickets. We don't even know what it's about. But I see some naked people. I don't know why I'm laughing about that. I'm 20 years old. Yeah. So let's see how this... Oh my gosh. I think it's a bit of a sexual museum. All these sculptures, they like remind me of something. Wow, look at this beautiful sculpture. It's lovely, and look at this beautiful view. Oh my gosh. Whoa, I think I'm tweaking. I put something wrong in my noodles. Sometimes I call myself an artist, but I still don't understand art. Like, huh? Look, she's crying. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry about what happened to her. Oh, these noodles. They did something crazy to me. Bro, this is a bit too small. Gimbal models. Gimbaling downstairs. Wow. I love this art. Wow! Wow, this is so fun! Wow! Wow! Japan! I love you! Japan! Okay, now it's really starting to get beautiful. Look at this. They have the koi fishes, or how you call them, I don't know. This is like completely different to Tokyo. Yo, she's dabbing. This is like some kind of an advanced dab. G. Okay, now I'm starting to like, I don't understand this thing. Is it turning right or is it turning left? Whoa, it changes direction like in my mind. Is it turning to the right or is it turning to the left? Like now it's starting to turn to the left. My Dutch friend Vincent van Gogh, he built this 2000 years ago here in Japan. This is like what they call the bear hole. It's made for bears, but at this moment there are kids in there. Yeah, that's about it.
It represents a bear's hole.
It represents a bear's hole, exactly. No, I wanted to go in there. It's for children aged 12 and under. We saw a lot of Picassos. There are some original Picassos in there. Not that I'm a huge fan of Picasso, but I still liked it to see some Picassos. But still, I don't understand art. I will never understand it. Yeah. How do you become an artist? Tell me. Like the Japanese version of tilted towers. It's a huge tower, but like made by an artist. Lego. Wow! 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 Japan is so beautiful. Wow! This is great. This way I don't have to walk around the whole park. I can show you 3 sculptures at one time, and that's it. From this side, she's thin, but if you look from the other side, she's pretty fat. But it looks cool. The flies on my windshield be like, damn, bro. Got the booty cheeks. Damn. Is this my first strike on YouTube? Whoa. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. He fucking dead, bro. Yo, bro, you can't park there, mate. I don't want to get any hate, so all these jokes I'm doing now, it's no body shaming. I like all bodies, no. But
I like everybody.
I like everybody. No, it's just a joke. It's just a joke, guys. Swiss people, das durch spilled, das heisst Arschlecken. Ich würde schon sagen, es geht aus wie Arschlecken, oder nicht? Look at this fish. I always thought there only existed like... Whoa, mis Englisch. I always thought there I always thought there are only existing 2 of them. Why are there so many? Like... Now the aura is gone. Fuck my English. No, I just wanted to tell you that my English is bad. Yeah, don't worry. I will get better. I'll do some online courses. Psych! I'm not. Even in the mountains, you have crazy cars. Are you ready for the room tour? Like, we have to be in our socks in the whole house. Bro is closing the door. You have to take off your shoes. Then it looks like this, like in the movies. Oh my gosh. Do you know this Kung Fu Panda scene where Mantis is like doing the whoa, what is it called? Acupuncture. He's doing like with the needles. He's needling Kung Fu Panda. It looks exactly like this, like with these doors. He's nailing him. Look, and then you got the beds. They will like roll out later, and then you get this beautiful view of Japan. Wayo. lovely. Like it's really simple, but it's great. Yeah. So see you at the dinner. The dinner is like downstairs. We will do like a Japanese barbecue. We have to put on a what? A what? What do we have to put on? Not kimono, but yakuta.
Yakult.
Damn. What are we wearing for the dinner?
Nee.
Damn. Wait, I'll Google. We'll have to wear a yukata. That was the word. Yeah, so you'll see later with like the bell. I have the best idea ever. I will like Tikka man, ik fick mis English. I will dye my hair gray or blonde, and then I will go back to Switzerland and I will like do the cornrows again. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm ready to grab some food. Traditional Japanese barbecue. Look at this. Wow, I'm hungry already. What do we name? I forgot to record an outro. See you. Peace out.